Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Cox Modem blinking orange. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, if you're having problems with your Cox Modem here, there's a few things that you can do to probably solve this issue. So one of them is you might want to check for network outages first. So what you need to do is you just need to type in the following keywords on your browser. So typically you just type in Cox network outage and it should give you the Cox outage troubleshooting. Is Cox down right now? And then when you open up this link, this is what you'll be seeing. So you just need to enter your address, your unit or zip code here and see if there any are, in this case, if there are any outages in your area. Now, if there are any outages in your area, it means that's the reason you're getting this issue. So usually you just need to wait for a few hours or a few minutes, hopefully, and this will actually fix your issue. But if not, and there's no outages, there's still a few things that you might want to do here. So first is you might want to do a short inspection here. So you want to check all cables connected to your modem. Sometimes a loose or damaged wire can disrupt the connection. So unplug each cable, inspect it, and plug it back in securely. Now, if you notice any damage, replace the cable and see if this fixes the blinking orange light. Now, also you might want to power cycle your modem. So power cycling any clear minor glitches here. So to do this, you want to turn off the modem, unplug it from the power outlet and wait for at least 2 minutes. Then plug it back in and turn it on and let it boot up and check if the light stops blinking. Now, if none of those work, the last and final thing that you can do here is to basically contact Cox support. Sometimes the problem itself can't be, we can't actually fix it. So in this case, you need to have a technician visit your area. So in this case, you want to go to their official website here and you want to go to contact us at the top right. And usually it's going to give you an option here to start contacting them. Let's just confirm this one. So in this case, you might want to go ahead and click on get service support. And let's go and confirm I'm human. And from here, it should give you research support. So in this case, you want to go and click on basically get support. Let's go and click on fix my problem. And in here, what we need to do is we just need to fill out a few things. Now, in this case, you just need to log in into your account, fill a few information like it's basically describing what you're currently experiencing with your Cox modem here. But yeah, so you just need to reach out to them and hopefully they will be able to send a technician and solve your issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.